Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I have another unboxing for you guys. This is from the Plane Apparel Co. Brand new company that started up here. And yeah, let's get this open and let's take a look. Alright you guys, as you can see, here's the front of the shirt. Super cool. Plane Apparel Co. here. I just arrived back from Colorado, guys, so a lot of packages to unbox here, so you'll see lots of videos over the next few days. And let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the shirt. Alright guys, you'll probably find the back to be obviously the coolest. Check it out. They also have Kitech, like one over plane over Arizona, and there's so many. I ordered St. Martin, but this is the only shirt I believe I got so far. I've been here many times in real life. Obviously, we have a model airport of it too, guys. So, super cool. Shout out to the Plane Apparel Co. here, guys. Super awesome, highly detailed. I highly recommend them, guys. Link in the bio here. Super cool. I do have 3 posters coming from them as well. Here's a better view of the poster here, guys. I let it flatten overnight, as you can see. All the details here. Super cool. I've been in this spot in real life many, many times, so this means a lot. And then here is the Kitech. Look at that, guys. Lufthansa 747 coming over. That's so cool, guys. Definitely going to get the shirt for these other 2 I'm about to show you. And then last we have St. Martin, however you want to pronounce it. Let me go ahead and look at this, guys. Super detailed. Do have a model airport on St. Martin, of course, guys. I'll be setting that up soon. A lot going on right now. We got San Francisco here. We got LAX. I'm trying to work out a system where I can rotate the airports around and show you guys just more content. So I'm working on that right now. But yeah, guys, super cool. Shout out to the Plane Apparel Co. Absolutely amazing. I'd like to thank you guys again for watching today, Model Airport Nation. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Again, link in bio for the Plane Apparel Co. And happy collecting.